Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Hi guys, my name is Agnes. Today on Mum's home cooking, we are making India. We call it in Punjabi. Some people call it okra, some people call it ladies' fingers. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends and family, because it helps the channel grow. And as always, if you like good food, you're in the right place, because at Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Today we will need garlic, ginger, green chilies, onions, okra, spices, lemon juice, tinned tomatoes. Make sure you wash the okra and you wipe it clean with a tea towel or kitchen roll, and you take the end bit off like that and just chop it like that. Okay.
So you're going for big chunks or little?
It doesn't really matter, big or small. They're very starchy, you could call it.
Okay.
Sticky. So I do like to, but that size is good because you can eat it as one bite.
Okay.
Okay. And there we have it. I got about 6 green chilies. These are fresh bunch, so I don't know how hot they are. So I'm going to use about 6. Sort of slice it in the middle and just chop them up. And with ginger, you cut it in half and you go make a split in the middle. So you got to chop it up very thinly for the tadka. There we are. And cloves, I usually go halfway down and just chop it up finely. We're going to slice the onion, cut it in half, and just slice it, big or small, it doesn't really matter. You need about more onions in here. Right, we've got the heat on high and we put the oil in. I'm going to try to measure it, which will be here forever, I think. There we go, 6. Right, we're going to add the onions in. Half a teaspoon, about a level teaspoon of salt, paprika, third of a spoon of garam masala. Now the tadka is done, we're going to add the okra to it and we let it simmer on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. mix it properly. We need to add a bit of lemon juice because they are very sticky and they will be even after they're cooked. So we add a bit of lemon juice to take that sort of starch away. Today on Mum's Home Cooking we made bindia, which is called okra. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. This is Agnes signing off.